How to fix TikTok unable to authorize please try again error on your iPhone. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. If you are seeing the TikTok error message unable to authorize please try again, this video will help you resolve it quickly. So let's get started. First of all, open your TikTok. Double tap on the home screen or swipe up gesture to bring up the app switcher. Swipe TikTok off to the top to force quit it, then open it again. Sometimes that resets the session token. Next, go to your profile and tap on the three horizontal lines on the top right. Once you tap on it, tap on Settings and Privacy. Scroll down and tap on Log Out. Now sign back in and that refreshes your authorization and reissues the tokens. Still stuck? In that case, you'll have to see for the option of free up space under Cache. Once you tap on it, tap on Clear Cache and tap on Clear. This will remove the old data that may be interfering with the login credentials. Also, you need to check for the iOS restrictions. This could also be creating an issue. For this, head over to your settings. Then after, scroll down to find the screen time option. Tap on screen time. Then after, search for content and privacy restrictions and disable any restriction that may cause or block the TikTok from authorizing. Particularly check for the app restriction or network limits. However, if nothing's worked yet, go to the App Store and ensure TikTok is up to date. If it's already updated, delete the app and reinstall. This will restore a clean, fresh install. Once that is done, restart your iPhone, toggle airplane mode on and off, switch between cellular and Wi-Fi or try a different network. This will solve your network related issues and you should be good to go. So that's all for today's video. For more such contents, do not forget to hit the like and subscribe button.